Hi ladies, my name is Miranda Grody. I am from the wonderful snowy state of Minnesota, and I want to talk with you today about one of my favorite products from LadyBoss Labs that I've been able to try so far, and that is LadyBoss LEAN. Let me grab the show you some packaging here. So it comes in a nice foil lined bag, so it keeps it nice and fresh. You open up the bag and it's, oh, the smell that hits you. I mean, the flavor is vanilla cake and it smells like vanilla cake. So when I first tried this, I mixed it with water because I wanted it to be I really wanted to evaluate the flavor itself and not have like almond milks or regular milk or anything like that interfering with the flavor. And I was blown away. Like, I am normally a chocolate protein powder girl. Like, that is where I stay. I love me some chocolate. But after trying this, even in just water, like, I have switched over to the light side. I see the light. I see the vanilla cake. I love it. It's wonderful. So I normally mix it with just regular 1% milk. My family, we don't care for almond milk. We just, we don't have the extra money to be buying all these different types of milk. So I do stick with that. But there are just a few things that I just really love about this product. The first one is you can use it as a meal replacement shake. So I love to use this for breakfast in the morning. It's quick and easy, grab and go, bam, out the door. And if you're like me and you work in the healthcare profession and you need something a little more substantial, because this protein shake alone with milk and the powder itself it held me over personally for about 2 hours. I need something that lasts a little longer. So I blended together a banana, some oatmeal, and some peanut butter and added that to the protein shake, and that was exactly what I needed, and it held me over for a lot longer. What I also really love about this product is that it has digestive enzymes in it, so you're actually using what is, in the powder. You're digesting it, your body's processing it. And it makes the digestion process easier for you as well. So I really, really like that. And I love that it's low sugar. That's one thing that's always very apparent in the LadyBoss lifestyle, low sugar. It's only 5 grams of sugar per scoop. And I use 1 scoop for, each little shaker bottle worth, and it does the job. I really can't find anything negative to say about LadyBoss LEAN. If you're thinking about it, you're going back and forth, like, I don't know, I kind of have a thing that I like and it works for me. Well, sure, other things may work, but I will guarantee you LadyBoss LEAN is better. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's been my favorite product so far. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me in the LadyBoss group. Thank you. Have a nice day.